As you can see, I'm all dressed. I'm ready to go somewhere. And our goats are escaping. We have had the worst problems with fences this summer. Anyway, our goats are literally walking up into the forest up this logging road. So I'm gonna get some feed and try to lure them. Do you know where they are? How far up the road are they?
Well, they're far up there.
Hey goats! Morning! Hey goats! This is obviously goat heaven. This is why they want to come up here. Oh, here they come. Good goats. Come on, goats. Hey, goats. Oh, look. Raven is such a good girl. She didn't get out. Come on, goats. Come on, girls. Yep, you just shake a bucket and they'll come.
Make sure Brownie does not jump over that fence.
That would be awful. We actually have to be gone for the whole day. And I would stick them in the barn, but I don't have any hay. So that tells me something right there is I always need to have hay even when there's plenty of grass. But I'm gonna take them up to the garden and lock them in our garden. Good job, Gracie. Poor Raven. Feed bucket, goats. Welcome to paradise, goats. Go ahead and lock the gate. Really shut it. Whew, I just ran up that mountain. I'm out of breath. You crazy ladies. Oh, here comes Brownie. There he is. Hey, Brownie. This isn't that big of a deal. I've been planning to put the goats up here to clean the garden up for me, but I don't really want them in the lower part of the garden where we have beds, but it'll be okay for a day or two. You gotta be flexible when you have animals and when you have children. Must be flexible. Come on, Raven. Come on, Raven. Why are you being so finicky? Total mama brain moment. So we used to have a fence, temporary fence around the back of the garden because we didn't have the permanent fencing up. And my kind husband just informed me that that temporary fence isn't there because we're using it for the pigs.
I was yelling at the window. Don't swim in the garden.
I didn't hear you say that.
Probably on the camera.
Well, they're at least contained for now because they're just in the part where there's the most food.
Daddy.
Okay. Well, Arthur's gonna figure this out. We need to leave and be at an appointment in like 30 minutes.
I've literally been running, feeding the animals. We had an earlier than usual appointment in town. I got a metal fence up around that back part of the garden, and by necessity, in a hurry, we've done something that I wanted to do anyway, which was put these animals in this garden. And so it's done. They've got water now, and we're gonna go.
We are gonna be gone not all day, but most of the day. So instead of doing homeschool, we're gonna road school. And thankfully, we do a program called Classical Conversations. That's one of our aspects of our homeschool. So we can just do it in the car because I have the app on my phone.
Mesopotamian, Sumer, Egyptian.
Hey, Grandma. All the goats escaped this morning, so we met Grandma.
Oh my
closer
goodness.
to our date area because we have an appointment. I just have to say, we're coming up on our 10-year anniversary.
10 years.
10 years. I just feel really triumphant about that because, you know, we realize marriage is not easy and you have to really work at it.
I know we make it look easy, but
Editing does that. But anyways, I feel like that's my most amazing accomplishment in life, is that I've been married for 10 years. I really do. I'm so proud of us. I feel like we
I'm
worked
proud of us
so
too,
hard.
it's awesome, amazing actually.
I think we're gonna make a video about our 10 years of marriage and our thoughts on that.
The good, the bad, and the ugly.
Yeah, I think we're gonna make like a little more transparent
We're
video.
thinking about it.
We're thinking about it, about marriage. Let us know if you'd be interested in that in the comments. We are back from our date. We forgot to film our date. That's okay, that's how good it was. Sleeping baby. Thanks Grandpa for hanging with the kids.
You're welcome. I just had to see this baby.
Isn't he sweet?
This is the cutest thing ever.
I mean, he really is the cutest baby ever. Everyone that meets him is just in love with him, even strangers. Go Grandma! You know, we're going to go find out if she gets a boot today or not.
Oh, good.
So she can bear weight.
That would be nice.
That's what we're doing right now. Isn't this amazing, Justice?
It just distracted.
Did you get a new cast today? Can you show me your old cast? Another one bites the dust. Can we check out your new one?
Will you get me a glove?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And we can go out to Chick-fil-A. Can we get ice cream?
Are you guys the guards?
Ask Dad. I have a feeling he'll say yes.
We're home and checking on all the animals. You can see they've trampled and smashed and eaten a lot. The goats are up there working on that sorghum. And Brownie is down here. He's eating flowers and he's eating asparagus plants, which shouldn't harm them. They would die back soon anyway with the cold. And they will come back next year. Most of their seeds have fallen, hopefully thickening in that patch. I want to say thank you to everyone who bought an Art and Bree mug. We partnered with a potter who we're close to, who has a new pottery business. And we had her make 30 Art and Bree mugs, and they turned out really cool. We really like ours a lot. But they're all sold, they're all gone, so thanks to everyone. If you're interested in getting... Brownie scratching on a giant sunflower. If you're interested in getting a really cool mug, you should check out her other stuff. This is one of my favorites that she makes, and it's her mountain mug, and I'll show it to you up close here. It's just a really cool design. I would say one of her it's becoming kind of one of her centerpiece items. And there's another example of a mountain mug over here. I'm going to put a link to her Etsy store if you want to check those out. In the interest of transparency and full disclosure, we are getting paid a small amount for each of those mountain mugs that she sells for like the next 5 days. Anyway, whether you buy them in the next 5 days or looking towards Christmas, you should check out her Etsy page. She's got a lot of cool stuff. All right, folks, this has been another great day on the homestead. Even though we weren't here for most of the day, by necessity, it's been a great day. And I'd like to thank you for joining us, for watching our videos, and hope you're having a great day wherever you are and whatever time you're watching this.